Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will show you guys how to fix the file is corrupt glitch on your PlayStation Vita. So you might try to run any kind of homebrew app, like let's say h-encore comes up, file is corrupt, and then if you try exactly the same thing, let's just say Vita shell, any homebrew app at all, it will just say the file is corrupt. So the first thing you want to do is just hold the power button on your PS Vita until the menu comes up, and then you want to go to power off. Alright guys, so make sure your PS Vita is fully powered off. If you still have the spinning loading icon, make sure you just hold the power button more until the screen completely goes off like this. But what you actually want to do is you actually want to take out your PS Vita's memory card. And if you have an SD to Vita like me, you will also want to take that out as well. Now once you've got these two things, what I would recommend doing is just maybe cleaning them down with a cloth. Just make sure all of the contacts are pretty good and not like have smudges on or anything like that. I'd also recommend cleaning the SD card that's in the SD to Vita and maybe just putting it around, take it out, putting it back in, just making sure it's properly secure in there, and do exactly the same thing with your PS Vita's memory card. Now you can also blow down the slot with some compressed air. If you remember like the Game Boy Advance games, sometimes you would do that to get them working. For me, I'm just going to put them back in, but that is actually something that you could possibly do to get it working. Alright guys, so once you have done that, we actually just want to boot into safe mode because we want to restart the system properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold left, right, home button, and then the power button. This can be a bit awkward, but just hold it like this, then hold the power button, keep on holding it until you see the PlayStation logo like this, then you can actually just let go and you should be in safe mode. So what we want is the first option, which is restart the system. So we simply just press X, and now we need to give our PS Vita maybe just 20 seconds just to restart itself. So now it's been restarted, let's try and see if our homebrew apps work. So first of all, we're going to try h-encore because obviously we need to launch that up. Keep in mind my h-encore is actually on the memory stick and not the SD to Vita. So let's just try this out right now. And you guys can see it successfully works and we do not get the error anymore. So let's just try one more thing. Let's try Vita shell as well, just to make sure this is actually working. And as you guys can see, it works. So I'm not too sure what caused the issue. It's a bit weird, but anyway, that seems to work for me. This has happened 2 times now, and the first time I didn't film it, but that is how I got it working. So that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.